Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegib.com, link in the description below. Sure, I can provide you with a step-by-step tutorial on how to install CUDA version 11.7. Keep in mind that the steps may vary depending on your operating system. In this example, I'll cover the installation process for Ubuntu Linux. Before installing CUDA, make sure your GPU is compatible with CUDA 11.7. You can check the compatibility on the NVIDIA CUDA GPUs page. If you have Nouveau driver enabled, you need to disable it. Add the following lines. Save the file and run. Visit the CUDA Toolkit archive and download the CUDA 11.7 toolkit for your Linux distribution. Follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure to say yes when asked about installing the NVIDIA driver. Add CUDA to your path and update the ld_library_path. Check if CUDA is installed successfully. This should display the CUDA version. If you are working with deep learning, you might want to install cuDNN for GPU-accelerated deep neural networks. Finally, ensure that your GPU is recognized by CUDA. This should display information about your GPU. Congratulations! You have successfully installed CUDA 11.7 on your Ubuntu system. Remember that these steps might vary for different Linux distributions or operating systems. Always refer to the official documentation for the most accurate and up-to-date information. ChatGPT